It's a summer Friday and Wall Street is gearing up for the weekend. This week, geopolitics swayed the markets, fears of a Grexit ease, and by Friday, Germany cleared the way for a new Greek bailout. And this did come after the Greek parliament passed reform measures. Now, Greeks will be cheering the reopening of banks, although there will be a 60 euro a day limit for withdrawals. It will now be cumulative, so that means savers don't have to line up every day to withdraw the maximum amount. Heading into the close, there's a rally in tech shares, so let's get to your modern Wall Street happy hour. Google lifted the Nasdaq to new record highs. The Dow and S&P 500 dipped its toes into the red on Friday, but Google shares tacked on a whopping $52 million in market cap, and that is a new record for a single session gain. It all does come down to earnings for this internet search giant. Google's profit was lifted by both mobile as well as YouTube ad revenue. And the energy sector weighed on the S&P 500 with Chevron, Chesapeake Energy both lower. And we can't forget about economic data for Friday. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index fell from a 5-month high. The preliminary July reading came in at 93.3 from a final June level of 96.1. June CPI gained, which was in line with estimates, but excluding food and energy costs, core CPI rose 0.2% after rising 0.1% in May. And taking a quick look at housing starts, they rebounded in the latest month, up 9.8%, while building permits surged to a near 8-year high. Now here's a look at the closing numbers for Friday, July 17, 2015. And in company news, Google's new record high lifted the Nasdaq. The index was also supported by other names. Etsy soared over 18% on Friday, and Facebook gained 4% to hit a new record high. And taking a look at Dow component Boeing, it did fall after it announced plans to revise its profit outlook amid higher costs to developing a new refueling tanker. And that does wrap it up for Modern Wall Street's Closing Bell Happy Hour update. It's the weekend, so have a great summer weekend, and I'll see you back bright and early on Monday morning.